Hello, welcome back to my channel, YouTubers and fellow refiners, scrappers, Albert Einstein trolls, and everyone else. We today are going to cement out the silver that we had dissolved earlier for our 10-ounce silver bar. And I do apologize for taking so long, but man, this is like, it's a side job, you know, and I do this after I get off work, and man, sometimes I'm just beat. But anyway, let's get back. We're going to cement this out on copper, and I have to go run some errands, so I can't leave this running, but I will give you before and after. Look at that, man. It's already starting to dissolve, cement out. All right, so here we go. We're going to let this roll for about 24 hours. I'll pull the values, I'll make shot, and then we're going to run it through our cell. And that's part of the thing I have to do today. Is go find a stainless steel bowl because the one I ordered from Amazon is magnetic. And damn it, Amazon, come on, man. Anyway, this is what we have. We are continuing on with the project, so stick with me. All right, so I'm back. It's been 2 hours. We have the silver cementing out on the copper. Copper is going in place the silver solution. They're switching. The copper is in solution, the silver is cementing out, and it looks pretty good. I'm gonna give it a stir so we can move it around some. All right, so I had to make a little trap. We're gonna capture that little bit of nitrous dioxide and make slight acidic water, you know, a little bit of nitric acid in it. Well, hopefully we'll use it for cleaning glassware. I'll capture it and we'll put it to use. But it was producing a little bit of nitrous dioxide because there's excess nitric acid in it. So we'll let that sit tonight, and hopefully it'll be finished reacting. But that's it. All right, so we're cleaning up a little bit, drying out the silver cement. We have just a little bit more to add to that. We'll get a weight, we'll pour shot. I need to divide up the electrolyte and add some distilled water. So that beaker in the back is what I'll pour it into, and then I'll put distilled water, and we'll start our electrolyte for the silver cell. And we'll clean up, man, this cardboard. It's got a little messy, I know, but I'll clean that up and we'll start that silver cell real soon. All right, so this is the shot we ended up with. It's, you know, a little impure here. Got some impurities. We're going to clean that up when we run it through the cell. But this is what we ended up with, 320. I did have to buy a 1 ounce bar to make up the difference. We were just short just a little, but we're still under budget. This is the silver from the plated stuff. This was from the recent sterling silver refine we did as well, and then we, like I said, had to get a 1 ounce bar. We ended up with 320 grams of silver, and I do have some impure shot I'd like to run through later, but we're gonna get that silver cell cranking today. So we'll I might mix that in later or run it as a dirty cell. We'll see. We've got options. All right, so we are going to build this silver cell today. I have my electrolyte. That's pretty clear, man. I think that's, I'm really excited about that. We are going to put it in the cell. We're going to put our impure shot in there, and then we are going to refine it. Okay, we're going to make that 10 ounce bar. We're getting close. Probably need about another week or so, but I bet that bar is going to look beautiful. At least I hope it is. So I set my phone down and it died. I had to charge it. This is cement weight. This it's 329. We're close. We'll add this to the silver cell and we'll be running it shortly. I don't know how long it'll take us. I feel like we're probably still a week out, maybe longer, but that shot looks pretty good. It's got a little bit of copper tone to some of it, but it's not bad, so we're getting there. So we've added the shot, and we'll let that run through. We'll check on it in a couple hours. I have to set this to constant volts. It's running constant current right now. But this is the silver cell. We'll go over it a little while. I made a little hole so I can add the electrolyte if needed. It's nothing fancy. I had to go get a stainless steel bowl from Goodwill, so this is the best I could come up with. Man, Amazon sent me some bowls, but they weren't stainless steel. They were magnetic. So I had to, you know, turn and pivot and come up with a plan. So we'll be documenting this in the next couple of days. We're getting close to finishing that bar up. Thanks, everyone. I'd like to just say a shout out to all my subscribers, and I really appreciate it. I know I need to work on the quality of videos, and I guess that'll come with time when I get comfortable with the editing software, but you know, we're getting there. So thanks, everyone. All right, so this has been in action for about 3 hours. You can start to see some of the crystal growth. I'm running, I think it's about 1.2 volts at 1.5 amps. It's the current that really does the work, so that's what I'm more concerned about than the voltage, but that's looking pretty good. We're gonna let that run tonight and then come back to it, you know, after work and see how it goes. But this is, we're getting close to finishing that silver bar.